With all due respect to my recent trip to Disneyland and all the fun that I've had at Universal and even at Epcot, today I am home at Magic Kingdom for just a couple hours on the last day of Splash Mountain being open before it's closed forever. We have shot over to Magic Kingdom to have a look.
But he's mainly, so they're going to come. He's going to go. Thomas is living in an apartment.
Let me get the wait time.
Yeah. We had 210.
210. So I'm over here at the end of Splash Mountain, and it is 9:30 and the park closes at 11, and it is still posting a 210-minute wait. There is special photo pass photographers set up everywhere that have lines as far as you can see. People are stopping to watch and clap as each log flume comes down the hill. That everybody has an audience. This is a huge showing for this ride. It seems like this ride is still one of the most loved in this park, and it's one of the core mountains. You can hear the people cheering. It's it's a lot of nostalgia here. A lot of nostalgia. But trust me, the mountain is behind me. For at least a couple more hours, it's still Splash Mountain. Okay.
So Resort 1 TV, I thought would be here. Nate, you know.
Resort TV 1 was here yesterday. I haven't seen Nate yet. I saw Tim Tracker. I saw everybody else.
I figured I'd be here for the final ride tonight, Dana.
Oh, they will.
Yeah, they're gonna kick us out, I think.
No, as long as you're in line by 10:59.
No, I'm saying like over here, they're gonna kick us out.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. You know, they'll be able to get the final ride.
Yeah, maybe. It's hard to say.
Oh, crap.
But that hill kind of puts you up for, build up for nothing.
think I want to be up here.
I think I do.
Splash Mountain. And we are in the front.
Because of me. What goes up sure to come down. No crap.
One little drop.
This is just a
oh, the tension built.
ah!
Whoa! Oh. Ah, got me.
How ironic. No fishing and there's no fishing.
That's what you ask us. That's what we know. Pretty good shows you're born. Pretty good shows you're born. How do you do? Fine, how are you? How you come on? It's time to give you it along. It's time to give you it along. Time to give you it along. I'll let you go. A little bit of it too. Let's get it going. A little bit of it now. I'll let it go.
Here's Brer Bear's backside.
I don't think anyone wants to see that.
You sort of made a fool of yourself right now. You just wrong around Brer Rabbit
This is the double doozy. There's the hidden Mickey sees nose. Here we go, Lana. We are so
Because of me, do not forget that.
because of Brea Llama. We are soaking wet.
Very. But it was fun.
It was fun,
Very.
but we are wet. Caution, you will get wet on this ride, especially if you ride in the front.
Exactly.